What was that? Get to the opening. Oh, so many excitements. So many excitements. Okay. Oh my god, I am so freaking excited right now. I have in front of me a box that I am very excited about. This is something that I have wanted for a long time. This specific one I have wanted for a year. Before last year, there wasn't one that I particularly was strongly wanting enough to spend the money, and then I just didn't have the funds. I entered into competition, I won, and now I have this. I feel like I haven't been this excited since I got my Xbox Series X. Oh my god. I've been on set all day. I knew this was coming today. I was like checking the thing to tell me like when the delivery was gonna come. Flatmate was at home. And then she messaged me and it hadn't updated on the app for some reason. She texted me and she was like, it's here. I was literally on set and I was like, oh my god, I've got like another 3 or 4 hours. And then I got back and I was like, I'm hot, I'm sweaty, I wore way too much layers because I thought we was filming outside, tube and then the train, and I was like hot and sweaty with too many layers and too much baggage on me. When I got in, I was like, I need to get in that bar. So I had a 2-hour long bar. Somehow I've managed to contain my excitement for a relaxing bath. I don't know how I relaxed. Maybe because I knew it was here waiting for me after. But anyway, we're here now and I really should open it up. So I'm so excited. Let's get opening it up. Oh my god. Okay, right. Get to the opening. Okay. I've got the other camera rolling and we can now open it up. Cool. I have my little handy knife with the safety thing here. So I'm gonna... I'm so excited. Okay. Oh my god, it's here. This is real. This is a real physical thing. This is real. This is real. Oh my god, this is real. Oh, it's real. Oh my god. This is a real object in my possession. I'm so excited. Jesus Lord. Let's get out. This is literally it. Oh my god. After the fall, I am wearing, I may or may not have done this on purpose, kind of on purpose. I just wanted something super cozy, and this is one of my coziest jumpers. I can finally actually own that game. This looked really fun as well. I'm gonna try that. Yeah, it's real. At least the box is real. Let me open it up so that I know there's actually something in the box. Okay. This is like a treasure chest. I feel like there needs to be treasure chest sounds here. It's real. This is actually real. Okay. What else is in this box? While I'm struggling to get this out of the box, how about we play a game? Comment below with how you would describe the level of excitement I am experiencing while unboxing my new toy. This, I'm gonna guess, is gonna be the cable. Here we go. No, that is the straps. Wait. And that is the instruction booklet. Where are the cables? Okay, that's the user guide. Where are the cables? Oh my god. Wait, there's no cables in here? Where are the cables? How am I meant to play it with no cables? Where are the cables? The cables are missing. Okay, well, this is it, but I can't use it because the cables are missing. I think I'm gonna cry. I think just any USB-C cable will work. All of mine are predisposed. That was language. So I'm gonna go hunt for a cable and then try and use it. Oh gosh, that was actually quite emotional for me. I had been so freaking excited to get this, and the fact that I then wasn't able to use it, like I had missing parts. I was so upset. I had to call my friend Charlie just to like get over it. I mean, luckily I had just read a chapter of my book about releasing attachments, so I did sort of get over it quickly, but I was like genuinely like so upset. I was so upset. I was like, I'm so excited to like just hop on VR tonight, and I couldn't. They'd accidentally sent me a used unit, and as well as the cables missing, the faceplate itself was like super dirty. Like it was so bad. It was grim. It was actually grim. It even smelled like it was particularly grim. But rather than getting them to send me like a whole new unit, because I was like, I don't want to have to wait. I've been so excited about this. I just want to play it. I don't want to have to wait for them to like sort out sending a new unit. I'd already like waited quite a while for them to just send this out. I had all these thoughts, all these reasons basically, that was like, let me just message them, and rather than asking for a whole new unit, I felt like that was like a waste and a lot of effort, and I'd be waiting loads. That I was like, hey, not sure if you're aware, but the unit I was sent has clearly been used, and it's in a state that I can't use it because the faceplate is like genuinely really, really bad, and there aren't any cables with it. So I need like a cable to be able to use it. For some reason they couldn't send me the cables as well, but they just said that any USB-C cable would do. So they did send me a faceplate, but the faceplate they sent me was like this kind of like plasticky kind of feeling material. It wasn't as cushiony. It felt horrible. It was not comfy. I don't like it. So I decided that I was going to try and clean the one that it came with, which is like more of a soft material and was more cushioned, and I felt like that would be a better feeling. But of course it was so bad, it was so dirty. I had to take extreme measurements to clean it. I was like, it's either gonna go in the bin or I can try and clean it, so I wasn't worried about like damaging it. So oh boy, I disinfected it, I bleached it, I boiled it, I like just done a sage ritual around it. I've done this process like 10 times. It took me like 3 days, but I did manage to get it pretty clean. Actually, I managed to get it very clean. Like, I was not putting that on my face. I was not putting that on my face until I knew, I was sure that, you know, I wasn't gonna get like an eye infection or something. And then I also bought like this fancy USB-C cable that's like specifically designed for VR. It's got like a charging thing as well, so that if you're using it plugged into the PC to use Steam VR, you can get like extra charge at the same time. So yeah, this is like obviously like a very extra long cable, because I do have an extra long USB-C cable, but just not this long. And I was like, I don't know what I need. It was on offer. This was like around like Friday Amazon sale times. So yeah, I got this. I feel like it was overpriced. If it wasn't on sale, this would not have been worth it. So, full disclosure, I am recording this part of the video way after I actually unboxed it, because this was in November and it's now January that I'm recording this. I had completely forgot that I just cut it off there and I didn't finish it. Didn't explain anything until I was editing, and I was like, this is an abrupt end to the video. I have played it a bit, but I do want to play it for you. Now that I can actually use it, let's have a go at playing some of the games. Luckily, there is some free-to-play games on there. I have not yet purchased any games. I'm hoping for some good sales. Let's play some games. I did not actually plan on doing this recording today. I just ended up doing it. So my hair is not a suitable hairstyle for playing VR right now. Luckily this headset is okay for putting over my hair even when it's not styled correctly. But anyway, let's show you what the actual VR looks like. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I'm currently in the store. This is like the store. Here are some games that I want. Definitely want Super Hot VR. I've played that a lot. I really enjoy that, but there's a lot of new VR games. I definitely want After the Fall. There is a lot of new VR games since I first sort of started really learning about VR and getting into VR. And I worked in a VR arena for a bit, and so a lot of the games I really like I found from there, where I could just try different games and play quite a lot. So there's a lot that I haven't tried. There's a lot of new things. Job Simulator, I definitely want that. That's a lot of fun. Pistol Whip is another good one. I freaking love Pistol Whip. Oh my god, so good. Is this on my wish list? Yeah, it was on my wish list. Maybe if we go to free, I think I have a couple downloaded. So I'll probably just play one of those. I didn't really plan properly. I recently downloaded this one, so we can try that. So I'm gonna go to my library, and then I can see all the games. The game that I've been playing a lot, and it is available on the Pico store, but I've got it through Side Quest because I wanted to try it. But Beat Labs, that's a lot of fun. That's like a rhythm game. Anyway, let's give Lost a try. This is what it looks like. Sure, login. This is what it looks like inside the headset. I have only ever done one recording, so I don't really properly know what it's like. I don't think I've tested the mic. Anyway, I really like the sound on this. You will take damage if you step outside of your platform. Okay, I'm stationary, so try to I'm supposed to step. I can't really step off my platform because my platform is literally my play space. Ooh! I'm also need to be careful. Currently, I have a bad back, and it is feeling a lot better, but I need to be careful by making it so movement. Okay, cool. Great work. Probably not a great game to play if you've got bad back. Start that. Ooh, bow and arrow. We actually. let's try. I don't know if they'll be in at the moment, so we'll try. Oh, yep, apparently I'm on the moment. Let's go.
3, 2, 1, blast off! Round over.
And then also not standing.
3, 2, 1, blast off! Winner, blue!
But my background. So that is my Pico 4 unboxing. I am so excited to have my own VR headset now. I have been wanting a VR headset for so long, and I particularly wanted the Pico 4 after I heard about it. So I'm really happy to have this, and I'm excited to play more VR games. I really want to get my hands on Synth Rider. I feel like I just play a lot of that, and I mentioned After the Fall earlier. I really enjoyed that game, as well as like Arizona Sunshine and Arizona Sunshine 2. I actually, since I got this and unboxed it, I actually went to the Pico for Arizona Sunshine 2 event, and I really enjoyed that game. Oh my god, I was so in my element, just like pew pew, and like Buddy, Buddy, I know, so cute. So that is on my list of games I will be getting. And like as well, VR chat. I used to play VR chat on desktop with friends, and I got to the point where I was like, oh man, everyone's in VR. Like I want to play it in VR, and so I'm excited to like hop back on that and play it in VR. Yay! But yeah, and hopefully I'll be able to figure out a way to stream as well. That's it. That's the unboxing. I guess we'll see more VR on my channel in the future.